English Conversation Practice channel subscribe.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English? Shunya.
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
I'm from New York.
I speak English and Spanish.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing the guitar.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing table and soccer.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
What is your favorite music genre?
My favorite music genre is rock.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled to several countries including France, Spain.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the dog.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes and electronics.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English fluently.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you like to dance?
No, I don't like to dance.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I have been to several concerts.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
What is your favorite place you've visited?
My favorite place I've visited is Paris.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy taking photographs as a hobby.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school was history.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing in the shower.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
No, I have never ridden a horse.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy experimenting with new recipes.
What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Can you play any sports?
Yes, I can play basketball and tennis.
Do you like to watch movies?
Do you like to watch movies?
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, I have traveled by plane multiple times.
Do you enjoy painting or drawing?
No, I am not particularly good at painting or drawing.
What is your favorite school subject?
My favorite school subject was mathematics.
My favorite school subject was mathematics.
My favorite school subject was mathematics.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, apart from English, I can also speak Spanish.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What is your favorite type of cuisine?
My favorite type of cuisine is Italian.
Have you ever been to a museum?
Yes, I have visited several museums.
Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, I am an avid video gamer.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli.
Can you ski?
No, I cannot ski.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love reading books in my spare time.
What is your favorite type of movie?
My favorite type of movie is science fiction.
Have you ever been to beach?
Yes, I have been to many beaches.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening to be a relaxing hobby.
What is your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is Monopoly.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar and the piano.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the great outdoors.
What is your favorite type of music band?
My favorite type of music band is Coldplay.
Have you ever visited a zoo?
Yes, I have visited many zoos.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, I find writing to be a creative outlet.
What is your favorite type of dance?
My favorite type of dance is salsa.
Can you speak a foreign language?
Yes, I can speak French fluently.
Do you like to go fishing?
No, I don't enjoy fishing.
Have you ever been to a theme park?
Yes, I have been to several theme parks.
Do you enjoy playing chess?
Yes, I find chess to be a challenging and strategic.
What is your favorite type of music artist?
My favorite type of music artist is Ed Sheeran.
Can you ride a motorcycle?
No, I cannot ride a motorcycle.
Do you like to take long walks?
Yes, I enjoy taking long walks in nature.
What is your favorite type of cuisine? What is your favorite type of cuisine?
My favorite type of cuisine is Japanese.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I have been to many concerts.
Do you enjoy doing puzzles?
Yes, I find puzzles to be a great way to exercise my brain.